Make a great choice today with the 2023 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, LED headlights, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.